Hey, it's Ted from Sequence One Media, and usually I'm outside, some national forest or a campground, talking about the wonders of nature. But today, I want to show you something new and interesting. I haven't seen a lot about it online. We're going to start off with an unboxing, and then we'll see later this afternoon if it actually works. So if you stick around, I'll show you something that you might like. This is it. This is the new Brava oven, and the first thing you'll notice is that it is a big box and it's a heavy box. And the FedEx guy yesterday wasn't too happy with me, and frankly, this unboxing may turn out to be how I wound up in the hospital needing back surgery. All right, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. And oh, surprise, surprise. The first thing inside is another box. So looks like it's pretty well packed. A lot of stuff that we will put in the recycling. Looks like a big box inside, so I'm going to have to get some help to get this out of here. Well, as I told you, inside the big box is a smaller box. It's just as heavy, and it took me a little while to get it out. It's one of those Fabergé eggs things. Keep opening boxes, and they get progressively smaller. But let's open this one and see what we've got inside. Okay, let's see what we've got. All right, did that without cutting off a finger, so we're in luck so far. And inside it says open to get started. Obviously that's something we'll check out in a minute. The dimensions are, it doesn't say the dimensions, but you need clearance around the oven of 4 inches. The oven is just beneath the container, bottom of the container. Plug it in, and there's an iPhone app. So at the top of the oven box are the glass tray, the sensor, and the metal tray. So that's pretty exciting. I bought this during the Thanksgiving holidays, Black Friday. They had a special deal where they gave $300 off if you bought the set with the glass oven and the glass plate, tray, and the metal tray, and so that was a pretty good deal. And I probably should mention that I bought this. It's not a loaner. I didn't receive anything from Brava to do this video. And then under some protective coating container, there's an oven. And I'll have to lift this out, get some help lifting it out, but it looks like we're getting close to being able to see it. So at the top of the oven box, there was a envelope labeled "Open Me First." In that envelope were some instructions, basic setup, how to get started, where to download the app, and then the usual cautions about cleaning and things to avoid, and then a set of coupons for prepared meals that are ready to go and be placed in the oven. I haven't ordered anything yet, but I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then there was a box that contained the glass tray and the sensor and the Brava metal tray, so they're right here. And you can see the sensor. Use the sensor to measure how high things are in the oven, as well as the temperature, internal temperature of things. Really nice glass tray. It's got on it some numbers that correspond to zones in the oven where you can cook at different temperatures. And then finally, there is a metal tray, and it's very similar to the glass tray, only made out of metal, and it's similarly marked with some zones. So that's what's in the box, and we'll get it set up and try things out. Okay, here it is. This is the Brava oven, and it's a little bit tough to get out of the box. If you're ordering this, it might be a good idea to have someone else to help you lift it out of the box. But once you get out of the box, here's what you got. And it's pretty impressive looking. Probably not as big as I thought it might be, but you can see there are 6 lights in there, 3 in the bottom, 3 in the top. There's a special way that they cook everything 3 different ways. Convection, they heat up the pan, and then they do what they call direct light heating. So there's a camera in there and a set of menus from a small computer chip, I imagine. We're going to fire this up and see what we can do with it a little bit later. But this is the Brava oven unboxing. Hope you've enjoyed it, and please come back a little bit later and see how we make dinner.